Hello, travelers, and welcome to St. Augustine, Florida. Thanks for watching RV Lifestyle and Repair today. I'm Lisa McEwen, as mentioned, coming to you from St. Augustine, Florida. It's a great town in northern Florida, certainly something that you guys should consider visiting. And if you happen to be in this neck of the woods and want to tour the city, we are going to show you the top 5 places for you to visit, including this fabulous lighthouse. Check it out. St. Augustine is quickly becoming a hot Florida destination. Its location, right along the Atlantic Ocean, means you have great beach access, where you can lounge about and enjoy some fun in the sun. And the city itself has a lot to offer. Dubbed the nation's oldest city, St. Augustine was settled in 1565 by the Spanish and offers a good mix of historic places to visit and tourist attractions. Our list of St. Augustine wrecks focuses on budget-friendly places to see. Topping our list, the Gates of St. Augustine. Built in 1808, these 2 pillars mark an entrance to the city that has lasted centuries. Originally built as protection for residents in the area, the gates are now an impressive historic and engineering marvel. If you're patient, you can snap a picture without tourists walking through it. We were able to snap this picture of the girls. The second place to visit is St. George Street, which is right near the city gates. St. George Street is one of several cobblestone, pedestrian-only streets that are full of restaurants, shops, and unique treasures. As you can see, it's a popular place to visit, and during any sunny afternoon, you'll have plenty of company. But what's great about this street is that you can wander through little offshoots to find some truly unique spots like this Spanish bakery, where we picked up some amazing breakfast treats and ate in a secluded little patio. Number 3 on our list is the Bridge of Lions. Located next to St. George Street, you can wander over this historic and iconic bridge. The bridge was finished in 1927 and transports cars across the Intercoastal Waterway. Its name comes from the marble lions sitting at its base. Named Fiel and Firma, which translates into faithful and firm, the lions are an iconic symbol of the city. Coming in at number 4 is Magnolia Avenue. Dubbed one of the prettiest roads in the nation, this quaint street is known for its oak tree canopy. These southern trees, often dripping with Spanish moss, create an archway that makes a unique walk. While you can walk to this destination from St. George Street, it is a bit of a trek, so you may want to drive. Number 5 on our list of places to visit is the St. Augustine Lighthouse, which you will need to drive to. The black and white spiral lighthouse was built in the 1870s and is still in working order, serving as a navigation aid to this day. You can tour the lighthouse, including a climb of the 219 steps to the top, for a fee of roughly $15 per person. And as a bonus idea to visit, consider driving over to the Witty Whisker Cafe. For a small admission fee, you can grab a cup of coffee and hang out with up to 20 kittens and cats. On our trip, our girls were able to pet and play. You'll need reservations to visit the cats, and all of the cats happen to be available for adoption should you be looking for a family pet. All in all, it's a nice little adventure to break up your days in St. Augustine. Be sure to add these stops to your St. Augustine itinerary.